Okay, so we're on the verge of a massive shift in how businesses get things done. And no, I'm not just talking about using AI as another tool. I'm talking about deploying a whole army of autonomous AI agents to run huge parts of a company. And this isn't some far off sci fi dream, it's happening right now. I mean, really think about that for a second. What if you could hand off not just a simple task, but an entire business outcome to a team of intelligent agents? Imagine agents that could run your sales pipeline, untangle your supply chain, or handle your entire customer service department all on their own. That's the huge promise of enterprise AI. But you knew there was a but, right? Of course. There's a massive catch. Getting from where we are today to that autonomous future is incredibly difficult. There's this giant wall standing in the way. Because right now, building this kind of AI, well, it's pretty much the Wild West. It takes a huge engineering effort, and you have to be okay with a ton of trial and error. Companies are building these super powerful systems with basically no security guardrails and absolutely no centralized control. It's chaotic, it's risky, and it just doesn't scale. So how do you tame this Wild West? How do you build an AI workforce that you can actually trust? Well, Google thinks it has the answer, and it looks like a brand new command center for this new world of AI agents. And here it is. This is Google's big play to solve that exact problem. It's called the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. It's a single, unified system designed to manage the entire life cycle of an AI agent, from start to finish. The whole point here is to give companies a complete toolkit to build agents, actually deploy them for real work, and, this is the most important part, do it all with trust and with confidence. So let's pop the hood and take a look at what's driving this thing. How does it all actually work? The entire platform is built on these four core pillars: build, scale, govern, and optimize. It's a really simple framework that covers every single stage, from a back-of-the-napkin idea to a super sophisticated agent running in the wild. Let's break each one down. First up, build. This is all about making it fast and easy to create these agents. So for the business folks, there's a low-code agent studio. And for the developers who want to get their hands dirty, there's a code-first agent development kit, or ADK. Everything runs in its own secure sandboxed workspace, and you can even grab pre-built agents from something called the Agent Garden to get a head start. Next is scale. And this is where it gets really, really powerful. The platform has a runtime engine that lets these agents run for days at a time on really complex projects. Something called a memory bank helps them remember context over the long haul. And get this, they can even coordinate with other agents to delegate tasks and solve even bigger problems together. Now, this slide here, this one tackles the biggest fear for any company: losing control. The govern pillar is all about safety. Every single agent gets its own unique digital ID. There's a central list of approved tools and skills they're allowed to use, and an agent gateway acts just like air traffic control for your whole agent army, enforcing security rules and even spotting potential threats. And finally, optimize. Because you can't just set these things loose and forget about them, right? This pillar gives you tools to simulate how an agent will behave before you launch it, constantly check its performance once it's live, and you can even trace its step-by-step reasoning to figure out how to make it better. Okay, so the technology sounds pretty impressive on paper, but what does it actually look like in the real world? Let's check out the proof from some companies that are already using this stuff. Okay, take Comcast. They're using this to rebuild their Xfinity Assistant, moving way beyond simple scripted answers to offer truly personalized support. Their CTO says it lets them redefine the customer experience at scale. Think about that. It's not just about better answers. It's a totally new, dynamic way to talk to every single customer. And this quote from L'Oreal's CIO, this really captures the biggest shift of all. It's a move to autonomous, outcome-oriented agent orchestration. In plain English, that means you stop telling the AI exactly how to do a task, and you start just telling it what outcome you want it to achieve. That is a total game changer. And when you're dealing with something as high stakes as money, trust is everything. PayPal's principal engineer confirms that this platform provides that critical foundation for trusted agent payments. That's basically the ultimate seal of approval, proving this system has the serious enterprise-grade security you need for the most sensitive stuff. So when you put all these pieces together, you've got the tech, you've got the governance, and you've got the real-world proof, it all points to a very specific vision for the future: the rise of the autonomous enterprise. And if you take one thing away from this, let it be this right here: The whole goal is to shift from micromanaging individual AI tasks to confidently delegating complex business outcomes. It's the difference between hiring a freelancer for a gig and hiring a full-time trusted member of your team. And that leaves us with one final, pretty huge question. Once this kind of foundation is in place and these tools are everywhere, what happens when your company and all of your competitors have their very own AI workforce?